morning. Exercise 4.3, question number 5. From the choices given below, choose the equation where graphs are given in figure 1 and figure 2. For here two figures are given, equations are given. We select which equation valid for this graph. In this question, what is asking? From the choices given below, here are our choice. Choose the equation where graphs are given in figure 1 and in figure 2. Now, figure 1. Graph. On a graph, straight line graph, points are 0, 0, minus 1, 1 and 1, minus 1. These are which equation solution or which these points satisfy which equation. Here put minus 1, y is taking equation 1. Y is equal to x. Putting x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. Therefore minus 1, 1. It's not valid. For 0, 0 it is valid. But it is valid for 3. It is satisfies these three points. In this equation, x plus y is equal to 0. Taking x is equal to minus 1. First we take here point minus 1, 1. If it is valid for this, then second point and third point. It is valid for these 3 points. It is satisfied for these 3 points. Then this line is drawn for this equation. Y is equal to x minus 1, 1. Here x is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 1, 1 is equal to minus 1, which is not correct, therefore it is not valid. Therefore 2 points are. Here putting x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Satisfy this point. Taking 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Satisfy second point. Taking 1 minus 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. It is satisfied all these 3 points. Equation number 2. Now equation 3. Y is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1, minus 2, y is equal to minus 2, which is not valid. Here is not valid. 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. Putting x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. 2 plus 3 into 1, 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here our left side is equal to 5. And taking x is equal to minus 1, 7 into minus 1, minus 7. 5 is equal to minus 7, which is not valid. So then it is valid for its option. Correct option is this second number, x plus y is equal to 0. The equation x plus y is equal to 0. Graph is given in figure 1. For figure 2, taking minus 1 in 3 for 1 number solution, 1 number equation. Here putting y is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. 3 is equal to 1, not correct. It is not valid. Second number, y is equal to x minus 2. X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 3. 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 3. 3 is equal to minus 3 is it correct? No, it is not correct. -1, 3 putting in this equation. Y is equals to -1, 3. What is the value of y? Y is equals to 3 and x is equals to -1. 3 is equals to -1 plus 2 is equals to -1 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 3 is value. Now second point. 0 into 0 is equals to -2 plus 2. Correct. 0 is equals to -2 plus 2, 0, 0 is equals to 0. 2, 0. Here putting x is equals to 2. 2 plus. No, 2, 0 in this equation. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0. 0 is equals to -2 plus 2. Is correct. -2 plus 2, 0, 0 is equals to 0. And 0, 2. X is equals to 0 and y is 2 is equals to 0 plus 2 is 2 is equals to 2. It is valid for 3 plotting point. Equation number 3. Now, equation number 4. Is it valid? Put in value x is equals to -1 and y is equals to 3. -1 plus 2 into 3 is equals to 6. -1 plus 6 is equals to 6. 5 is equals to 6, which is 1. This work do in your rough work, not in file work, not do in your last page or rough work. Then decide which is our equation. Here, this is equation y is equals to -6 plus 2 for this graph. Okay? You decide here choice equation number 3. Here choice equation number 1, which is valid 3 all points. Satisfy all 3 points. Satisfy this equation. Now question number 6. What is our question number 6? Word problem. If the work done by a body on applications of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in the form of equation and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when distance travelled by 2 units and 0 units. First we make linear equation in 2 variables, then find its, then prepare its graph table and draw the graph, then find, after drawing the graph, we find these 2 answers. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is equals to x, I write here only let work done is equals to 5. On application of a constant force, what is constant force? Is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. Distance travelled by body is equal to x cube. X cube. Here we write x cube. Distance travelled by body is equal to x cube. Work done is constant is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. Here it is numerical for in physics. Distance done, work done is directly proportional. Now this sign is for proportional. 2x distance directly proportional to the distance, which is constant. Y is equal to, here we remove, then y is equal to kx, where k is equal to constant. Here k is equal to, here constant is equal to 5. Therefore equation y is equal to 5x. Which is our equation? Y is equal to 5x. Putting the value of constant, y is equal to, we have given the constant, taking the constant force as 5. Also, here y is equal to 5x. Our equation y proportional x, work done is equal to distance traveled by applications into displacement. Here distance is equal to x and displacement is equal to constant distance, constant force is as 5 meters. Work is equal to force into displacement. Now y is equal to 5x. We prepare this table. X, y. Taking here, I am taking only 2 values, 3 values. Taking x is equal to 0, 5 zeros are 0. X is equal to 1, 5 ones are 5. Okay, suppose you are taking x is equal to 2, y is equal to 10, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 15. Otherwise, you take any one. I take here. Draw the graph. Here we draw the graph where I write here k is equal to constant. You draw this graph in your graph book properly. Don't draw in your notebook. This question is given in your NCERT graph book standard 9. Therefore, you do this sum in your graph book. Calculate y is 0. Here x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus point is not taken. I take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Taking 1 centimeter is equal to unit 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And here minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. You take anything. Minus 10. I take here on y-axis. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Draw these things. Here minus value is not here, therefore you draw like this. But I draw here this. Here 0, 0, 1, 5. 1 is taking as 5 here. This point is here. Two is 10. 2 is 10. 0, 0. 3 is 15. Suppose 3 5s are 15. Then our graph is becomes like this straight line. 210, 315, your point is 15. For what is equation? Y is equal to 5x. Y is equal to 5x. Here, question 1. When find from the graph the work done when distance traveled 2 units. If distance travels 2 units, then work done is equal to 10 units. Distance done is 0 units. Distance is 0, then work is 0. Here 0. In this find we find 2. By graph we find this 0, 0, 2, 10. Suppose distance is 3 units, then work is equal to 15 units. You find like this. Again, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, work done is proportional to the, first we take work done is equal to y and distance travelled by body is equal to x. Work done is proportional to the distance. Y is equal to kx. Here k is a constant, but constant force is given. Constant force as 5 units, therefore equation y is equal to, putting the value, constant k is equal to 5, y is equal to 5x. Then we make our graph solution table, draw graph and then give answer. Also read from the graph the work done when distance travelled 2 units. When the distance travels 2 units, the work done is 10. And 0. 0 units, then distance is 0, then work done is also 0. Okay? Now question 5 and 6 completed.